channel. I hope all of you guys are doing extremely well. The festive season finally is here and Diwali is just around the corner. तो मैं आज सोची थी कि what video can I film for the festive season. Then I thought let me do a get ready with me for Diwali kind of video because honestly मैंने अपने channel पे कोई भी ऐसा video नहीं किया है बहुत सारे time से, and I think I've also not shared any video where I do my makeup on camera on YouTube. So I thought let me do it today. It's something different, something nice, and probably it will interest a lot of girls who watch my channel because मुझे बहुत टाइम से इतने सारे रिक्वेस्ट आते हैं that please share your makeup routine, please share some get ready with me kind of video and all of those requests. तो मैंने सोचा चलो आज कर ही लेते हैं. Let's get started with the makeup. और makeup शुरू करने से पहले I'll just give you guys a disclaimer. I'm not a professional makeup artist और मैं अपना makeup करती हूँ in a way that I have learned all these years and the way it looks good on me. So yeah, please don't mind me if the makeup is not properly finished or not looking very professional because people comment sometimes नीचे कि आपका ये सही लग रहा है वो सही नहीं लग रहा है. So I'm just giving you guys a disclaimer. For the first step I always wash my face. Clean skin is the perfect base for your makeup. उसके बाद में I use a moisturizer always because I need to prep my skin. Prepping your skin बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है because once you prep your skin rightly, foundation looks even more better when you put it on. So I always use good amount of क्या बोलते हैं उसको good amount of moisturizer. And after moisturizer I use a primer. प्राइमर यूज़ करना एक्चुअली पहले मैं पसंद नहीं करती थी इतना, बट आई रियलाइज दैट सो मच ऑफ अ डिफरेंस इज मेड व्हेन यू यूज़ अ प्राइमर बिफोर पुटिंग योर फाउंडेशन ऑन. फाउंडेशन लुक्स जस्ट सो फ्लॉलेस एंड स्मूथ, इसलिए आई नेवर स्किप दिस स्टेप एनी मोर. तो ये वाला जो है दिस इज़ अ NYX पोर फिलर प्राइमर. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई यूज़ नॉर्मली. अभी हम एक दिवाली मेकअप कर रहे हैं एंड वी वांट द मेकअप टू लास्ट रियली लॉन्ग. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द NYX प्रोफेशनल मेकअप मैट फिनिश स्प्रे. ये वाला जो है इट्स लिटरली लाइक माई गो टू प्राइमर वेन एवर आई हैव अ लॉन्ग आउटडोर शूट या फिर मुझे कोई ऐसा किसी के वेडिंग के लिए जाना है, कोई पार्टी के लिए जाना है. यूज़ दिस बिकॉज इट मेक्स माई मेकअप स्टे ऑन फॉर रियली लॉन्ग एंड बिकॉज इट्स अ मैट स्प्रे इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली हो जाती है आफ्टर आई वेयर मेकअप एंड इट्स ह्यूमिड आउटसाइड एंड मुंबई इज़ सुपर हॉट राइट नाउ. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग द मैट फिनिश स्प्रे. इसके अलावा अगर इट्स द विंटर एंड माई स्किन इज़ फीलिंग टू ड्राई तो कभी कभी मैं ये वाला यूज़ करती हूँ. दिस इज़ द NYX प्रोफेशनल मेकअप ड्यूई फिनिश स्प्रे. This one is also really good when the days my skin is dry. So in case you have not tried this product, you should really try. हमेशा इसके ऊपर stock up करती हूँ. This is my old bottle which is about to get over and this is already the new bottle. So I always have it with me. So सबसे पहले I'm going to spray this. It's very easy to use this. आपको सिर्फ 6 इंचेस दूर रखना है अपने फेस से. मुझे इसको अपने फेस पे स्प्रे करना पसंद है. इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक पुटिंग द मेकअप स्प्रे ऑन योर फेस देन यू कैन जस्ट स्प्रे इट ऑन योर मेकअप स्पॉन्ज और ऑन योर फाउंडेशन ब्रश. सो आई एम गोना पुट लिटिल बिट ऑन माई फाउंडेशन ब्रश एज वेल बिकॉज आई रियली वांट द फाउंडेशन टू लाइक स्टिक ऑन टू माई फेस एंड स्टे ऑल डे लॉन्ग. आई एम गोना टेक माई फाउंडेशन. I always love to put my foundation ऐसे so that I can spread it evenly. So I love how my foundation is looking so matte and flawless right now. अभी इसके बाद I'm going to put very थोड़ा सा concealer because आप देख सकते हो मेरी skin पे there's not like a lot of dark circles or anything. I have some few pimple marks here and there. तो मैं उसको conceal करूँगी but otherwise I won't use concealer. After that, time to do my brows. Time to do eyeshadow. So उसके लिए I'm going to use these two palettes today. Both are from NYX Professional Makeup. After that, using this peachy shade again as a transition shade. We're gonna take this golden shade. उसके बाद I'm gonna take this brown shade again and just quickly go over it to make it look more professional. Always make sure to blend well. ये ब्रश को सर्कुलर मोशंस में आगे पीछे करते रहो and it really helps to blend the eyeshadow really well. So I'm done putting on the eyeshadow. Now it's time to put the liner on. तो liner के लिए I like to do a nice winged liner because normally मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि for the festive season it's always the eyes or the lips that need to be like highlighted and the look looks really nice and elevated. So I'm gonna do a nice winged liner now, which I struggle with a lot by the way. बहुत सारे लोग कभी कभी पूछते हैं that how do you get the perfect winged liner. Trust me, out of 10 times 7 times I get it right and 3 times I'm still struggling. So wing liner takes a lot of practice, but I'm gonna do it now. So मैं हमेशा टिप के साथ पहले ऐसे करती हूँ and then I'm just going to bring this in. And इसके बाद it's time to put on my mascara, and I love putting on mascara. I think mascara के बाद the eyes look so complete and so beautiful. So I like to put mascara on and not fake eyelashes. अगर आप लोग को eyelashes लगाने अच्छे लगते हैं, go ahead and put it because I really struggle with eyelashes on. So I normally prefer just putting mascara. And once I'm done with the mascara, I'm gonna take this shade again, this brown shade, and put it on my lower lash line. So मैं अपना face contour नहीं करती हूँ हमेशा, but I'm gonna use a bit of bronzer because it's the festive season. Take a little bit of bronzer on my brush and very slightly contour my face. Bronzer, it's time for my favorite step, that is using a blush. I love to use blush, and because it's for Diwali, I'm gonna go a little bit overboard. Always smile, and I like to take my blush थोड़ा ऊपर, तो थोड़ा इसके साथ blend हो जाता है अच्छे से bronzer के साथ, and it looks even more better. I always love to put my blush on my nose. मैं बहुत टाइम से ये करती हूँ. From the time I used to give auditions for TV, तब से मैं ये step करती हूँ. I think it makes your face look really more cute and naturally blushed. So I love to do this. ऐसे एकदम धीरे से. You see how it brings out the nose and makes it look really cute, and a little bit on the chin. I'm done with my complete makeup look. मैं highlighter डालना पसंद नहीं करती because I just feel like it makes my skin look more oily sometimes when I step out. So I skip that step. If you like to put highlighter on, please go ahead and add all that shine you want to. The final and the last step, मैं फिर से ये NYX makeup setting spray use करने वाली हूँ to lock in all my makeup in place, and always spray this from like a 6 inches distance, never close to the face, and always wait for it to dry. Love this one because it's so comfortable on the skin, and it also makes my makeup last all day long. Really helps to reduce the impact of oil, shine or sweat on your makeup. So that's what I love about it, and I completely recommend. Also, it's very affordable. You get this for about 875 rupees, 60 ml, and trust me, it lasts really long. So the link for this will be in the description box below. It's available only on Nykaa.com, so आप वहाँ से check out कर सकते हो in case you guys want to. This is a vegan formula, and NYX Professional Makeup is a cruelty-free brand. So what's not to love? It's completely a must-have for makeup. It really solves the major makeup problems. I'm done with my makeup completely. It's time for me to change into my outfit and get all my jewelry on, and I'm going to show you guys the complete look. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to comment down and tell me how you guys found this look and the outfit, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely and blessed festive season.